So question 30, if alpha equals to cos inverse 3 by 5 and beta equals to tan inverse 1 by 3, where 0 is less than alpha and beta is less than pi by 2, then we have to find alpha minus beta. So these are the options. Let's see the solution. So alpha equals to cos inverse 3 by 5, and where we have calculated a value in tan inverse, that is tan inverse 4 by 3, and beta is also given in tan inverse 1 by 3, so we can easily calculate alpha minus beta. So putting the values tan inverse 4 by 3 minus tan inverse 1 by 3, we have the given formula for that. We have the formula for that, that is tan inverse a minus b upon 1 plus ab. For ab greater than minus 1. This is the formula of tan inverse a minus b. Here a will be this and b will be this. This is the formula for tan inverse a minus b. After applying this formula, we'll get these this order, and we'll solve this. After getting this, we'll get the value, that is tan inverse 9 upon 13. We'll evaluate more to get the answer. So we have calculated here in sin inverse, so we'll get 9 upon root 13 square plus 9 square, and after solving this, we'll get sin inverse 9 upon root 250, and after evaluating more, we'll get sin inverse 9 by 5 root 10. So option B will be the right answer.